Hi there, lovely people. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I designed this beautiful storefront you see here for free. Yes, for free. And you don't need any coding experience. You don't need to pay for any platform. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step approach about how I designed this beautiful storefront for free. Now, what is amazing about this thing is you can also have your social media handles here. You can have your WhatsApp link here. You can have a little bit about your company and the products that you offer. And going to the product, when a person or a visitor hits any of your products, it pops up. You can have more images. You can put a GIF over here. Now, your buyers can also contact you through these three means here, that is WhatsApp, phone, or email. They can also add a quantity of items to their cart. They can add to the bag here. Now they can go to the checkout page. They can go ahead and leave their address, leave their city, leave their country, and a little delivery note here. They can also opt for a delivery fee. Once that is done, they can continue and put in their details in here, first name, last name. They can also put in their email. Let me just put a dummy email in here, and also their telephone number. And once that is done, they can review and pay. So once everything is done, when they click on pay, a pop-up will appear where they can just add their card. You can just take their card details or mobile money number so that you can also debit their account, and everything is done. You can save everything in here. Everything is done on one platform. You don't need any other platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. So let's get right in. Now the first step is to create a Paystack account. So head over to paystack.com and this page will open up for you. Now I want to create an account here, so go to create free account. Now when you do this, you can now select which country that you are on. So for now, Paystack is available in Ghana, Nigeria, and South Africa. You can put in your business name in here, put in your first name, your last name. You can put in here your email address, your telephone number, password. Now, if you are a startup business, you are now in the process of registering your business, you can click this option. But if you've registered your business already, you can go ahead and click registered business, which will require you to enter other details of your business registration. Now, if you're also a software developer, you can also put that in here. Now, when everything is done, you can check this box and you can go ahead and create your account. So once your Paystack account is created, it will bring you to this page. So as you can see, now we want to create a storefront like you saw in the beginning of the video. So let's scroll down in here and go to storefront. Now you can see this is what I already showed you, but I'm going to do everything from scratch with you. If you click on preview, you see the storefront loading up. So this is what we'll be creating. So let's head back. Let's go to new storefront. Now put in the name of your storefront in here. So you can say the name of our store is perfume boutique. The currency we want to charge, because my account I selected Ghana, the currency is by default in GHS, so that's what I want to do. Now your store, this is going to be your store link, so whatever name you put here, Paystack is just going to add it to paystack.shop/ the name that you put there. So this is going to be the URL that users, or you can send to anybody who wants to buy from your shop, more of like your domain name, just that it's not customized. So Paystack, it will be prefixed with Paystack and then the name that you choose. So once that is done, let's go to create. So now you can see our perfume boutique storefront created. When you click on preview, it will open up our storefront, and you can see for now we have nothing on our storefront. So we need to now head back and see and add some products to our storefront. So back on our storefront, let's go to the icon here, or just click on the preview boutique, and it'll just open up for you. Now this is where we can start customizing our storefront page. So now let's go to products. So we can go ahead and add products. So as you can see, I've already added some products to the storefront, but let me show you how you can easily add a new product. Just go to new products here, go to the product name. For demonstration purposes, I'll just put a dummy product here, call it lipstick. Then put a little description here, affordable lipsticks. So you can put any product description here that will make a buyer or someone want to buy your product. So once that is done, you can come here and then put the price. Let's just say 100 cedis. If you have limited stock, you can indicate that here. If it's unlimited, you can do that as well. Now if you have, it says this product contains one or more physical goods. So if you have varieties of this product too, you can check this icon in here. If not, you can just disable it. For ours, we just disable it and just go to next. Now this is where you can either add a GIF or just an image. You can add up to 6 images, high quality images here. So let's just add some few images here. So I think I have an image here that I can put there. Let me see. So let's just choose this one and save. So let's go ahead and save it. So this is our image that we just added. So we can see orders 0, inventory. We can see the inventories that we just have in here, and we can customize the product. If there are any options that you want to add, if you want to add more images, you can do that in here. If you want to change the background color, you can. There are different options here that you can select, but for ours, we'd want to go with the white background. Now once this is done, you can also edit the description. This is a shareable URL, so you can send to anybody who wants to buy this product, and you can easily buy from this URL. Now if you have any discounted codes, you can come in here. If you want to give discounts to some of your buyers to drive sales, you can hit a discount, put in a discount code in here. If it's a percentage, you can put that in here, and then you can write, say, 5%, and let's just say July sales. And then you can also there are other options here which you can also use. You can set minimum order amount. So if they are buying if they want to get this discount, they should buy a minimum number or order for a minimum number. You can also set maximum use per customer. Any of these options that you want to play around with, you can do same. So let's just say you want to apply this discount to give a 5% discount. You can go ahead and create this. So this will be added to the product which we just created. So it says refer your customers to shop this product link using the discount code July sales to get 5% off. So you can even create a flyer with this discount and share with your potential buyers. So once this is done, you always see the discount in here. Delivery, if you'd want to put in a delivery option for your buyers, you can also do that. You can also add a delivery fee here. So if you are delivering within, say, Accra, you're charging a delivery fee of, say, 20 cedis. You can save that. So that means they'll need to enter their delivery address so that you can deliver to them. You can add as many delivery options in here as you want. Now after purchase, optimize your customers after purchase experience with a delightful success message and more. So after a client has bought a product from you, you can customize your success message in here, or any notifications to their email that you want to send after any purchase that you do on your website. So once this is done, you can go ahead and preview what the product we just added. So now you can see it's nicely added to as one of our storefront products. So let's head back. Now let's go back to products again and go back to storefront and go to our perfume boutique. So now our perfume boutique storefront has only I think we have something to fix here. Delivery. So going back to delivery, said please specify the regions to which you physically deliver orders. Okay, so I think we didn't do that, so let's add that. So Accra 20, and let's save. So I think once that is done, we can go back to our storefront, go to perfume boutique again, and let's refresh our page. So back to our storefront again, let's go to products. Now I want to add more products to this storefront, so let's go to add product. So now I've showed you how to add a new product, so you can now go ahead and add some of the products I already added to the previous storefront I showed you, and you can just click on add product, and all these products will be added to our storefront, as you can see here. So now we are almost done with our storefront in here. Now you can also go ahead and customize the storefront. So you can go ahead and change the color. You can pick any of these colors, or pick more and then choose from any of these colors here, but for now just go with this color that we see in here. So now what else can we do? You can add a welcome message here. So just say welcome to the perfume boutique. You can add more if you wish. Just save it, and then you can add something about our business, the perfume boutique. You can add more if you want to. Let's save that. We can also add our contact details in here. So if you want to add your WhatsApp number, you can select your country and then add your WhatsApp number. If you want to add your phone number too, you can do that. Select your country, add your phone number, your email address, and then just hit save. Now you can also, this is where you can add your social media handles. So Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are some of the handles that you can add. Once you finish adding them, you can go ahead and save that as well. So once this is done, you are almost done with our storefront. Let's hit on preview. Let's preview and see how our storefront looks like. Beautiful. So now we have our storefront nicely done in here. You have the about us section here, and now we can, let's try and buy a product. So let's click on this, add 2 products here. Let's go to add to bag. Now you can go to either keep shopping or go to checkout. Let's go to checkout and add a dummy address in here, add our city, add our state, shipping region. Let's click on Accra. Our 20 cities appears here. Let's continue to pay. Put in a dummy first name, dummy last name, a dummy email address, and then a telephone number in here. And once that is done, let's go to review and pay. Click on, so our total bill is 320 Ghana cedis. Let's click on that, and we'll get our pop-up where you can easily take the card details or the mobile money number from our clients. So this is a very easy way to create an online store for yourself. You don't need any money, you don't need any coding experience. You can just go ahead and do it right now, and it will not take you more than 30 seconds to put all this together. So if you have any questions as to if you are facing any difficulties, you can leave those in the comment section and I'll be very happy to help. So with this storefront, you can collect all your payments on Paystack and everything would be sent to your account. So you need to add your account details, your bank details, so that all the monies that are collected in here will be transferred to your bank account, and you can easily do business with very less stress for yourself. So thank you very much for joining me in this video, and I hope